Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mark Lambert of the Thetis Pendulum Trading Group. It's Tuesday, January 21st, 2014. Just to verify that. It is January 21st, 2014, and right now it's 2:44 p.m. As of the last several weeks, I've been looking for a major high to form in the market. Basically last summer when we started breaking through the 1680s area, I was mentioning that we're probably going to the mid 1800s by the first week of January 2014. We've now arrived. I just want to show a couple charts here, and I'm going to show how the timing is actually working out. Right now, I've already showed this chart, I think, to a few people. This chart is basically a non-logarithmic chart of the S&P 500 with a major channel anchored off the cyclical low of 1982. And as you can see, it acted support 4 times so far. Anchored to the top, boom. Right now, we're right at that area where we're at the 1850s. Right now, as it is, I'm looking at the market as having achieved some pretty significant price targets, and also in my way of counting cycles out, we've reached a yearly channel. We've reached a yearly cycle in 2014. We've reached a quarterly cycle within this first quarter of 2014, and as of late, as of last summer, I was saying that January, which would be part of a monthly cyclical event, would most likely form a high for 2014. I've also gone so far as to say that the weekly cycles would probably happen in the first week of 2014. And though we have gone slightly higher than the first week of 2014, if you take a look at the S&P 500, this is basically the weekly bars. So far, the highest closing week we've had so far is the first week of 2014. So with that being said, that is still holding. And one of the reasons why I was not all that, I guess you could say, convinced that we're at the top, but that we're forming a top as of last Wednesday, is I did not have any daily cycles lining up at that point in time. As of today, we've reached a pretty good daily cycle, with tomorrow being an extremely important cycle day, which would be the 22nd of January. I'm saying that the top could possibly have been in as of today, but it's not as of today. I would be very, very suspect of the market opening up higher tomorrow, because if it does, I would expect a sell-off to start immediately. Now, these cycles are based on counts that I keep in the market, percentages, Gann angles, etc. And we've basically right now at that level where I was looking for either a high or a secondary lower high to form today. At the most, I would not expect it to go much higher tomorrow. And if it does go any higher tomorrow, it should be an automatic sell with the cycles. But I am thinking that today, the 21st of January, that the top is now in, and we should see a weekly close that should be lower than the first week of January, and this could be the start of basically a larger cyclical event. And I'm thinking that it's definitely going to be the high of the year for 2014, is either now in or will be in by tomorrow, and just to trade accordingly. Now, if we do make a slightly higher high tomorrow, which I'm only thinking if it is, it's going to be very slight. And if that's the case, that's pretty much it. The following day, we can't close any higher. We cannot go any higher the following day, or the cycle needs to continue out to probably the first week of March. But with that said, this is a pretty low risk area to be looking for a short between today and tomorrow as far as time goes. As far as price goes, I was looking for around the mid 1800s. We've hit like 1850, which is pretty damn close. I also have an outside price target of 1855, which could produce either today or tomorrow. But either way, this is it's a very critical area right now to really be watching, because this market could start heading down very, very soon, and probably in a quick fashion also. So with that, I just wish everybody good luck, Godspeed, and good trading.